Hi everyone, Seth coming to you from the KENWOOD Training Department. When's the last time you put one of those shiny discs inside of your car stereo receiver? Well, if you're like me, it's probably been quite a while. Today, we've got the DPX303MBT. This is a dual DIN-sized digital media receiver. Let's take a look inside of the box and then we'll go through some of the new feature highlights that it has to offer. The first item that you will see is the wiring power harness. Next will be the included Bluetooth microphone, allowing you to make and receive those Bluetooth phone calls with excellent sound quality. Then you will see the included mounting bracket screws. Next you will see the 2 receiver removal tools. When utilizing the included mounting cage, this will make for an easy removal process if need be. You've got the receiver itself, then the instruction manual, and the warranty card, as the KENWOOD DPX303MBT does include a 1-year warranty. Now, let's take a look at the back side of the receiver. In the upper left-hand corner, that pink connector will be for your Bluetooth microphone. Below that will be the AM/FM antenna input. To the right of that will be your 3 sets of 2.5 volt RCA pre-outs. Rear at the top, front in the middle, and subwoofer at the bottom. To the right of that will be your SiriusXM input for the optional SiriusXM SXV300 satellite radio tuner. And to the right of that will be your wiring power harness input. Now let's power the receiver on and take a look at the front. In the upper left and upper right hand areas, you will notice your 6 preset buttons. Below and to the left will be the source button. This will change what source is currently being played. By pressing and holding this button, this will power the receiver completely off. To the right of that is the telephone button. By pressing this, you can have quick and easy access to answering your Bluetooth phone calls. By pressing and holding this button, this will activate the voice command feature of your connected Bluetooth device. Above that will be your track backward and track forward buttons. To the right of that will be the search or back arrow button. Next to that will be the volume knob. The volume will control the volume itself, or by pressing the volume knob, this will gain access into the menu system. In the menu, you can change several different functions, such as your date, your clock, your receiver color, your remote app settings, and much more. To the right of that will be the display button. This will change what is currently being shown on the display itself. By pressing and holding that button, that will activate the dimmer command feature. Next to that will be your down and up arrow buttons. The down arrow serves as a seek function, and the up arrow as a band function. And below that will be the Bluetooth audio button for quick and easy access to your Bluetooth audio source. Next to that will be the USB and auxiliary input. With the DPX303MBT, you can enhance your sound quality by using the included 13-band equalizer with digital time alignment, or the 3 sets of RCA pre-outs. With those, you can add in KENWOOD amplifiers, speakers, and subwoofers to get the best in overall sound. You will also notice support for sources such as Spotify, Pandora, or iHeartRadio with your connected smartphone. Also, it has compatibility for the optional SiriusXM satellite radio tuner, giving you a wide variety of media content. You will also notice that it does support the new KENWOOD Remote app. This allows you to use your smartphone just like a wireless remote control. It also includes support for KENWOOD's new music mix technology. This allows you to switch between different Bluetooth audio devices with ease. You can simply press play on a different Bluetooth device. It will then stop playback from the current device and start playback from the next device. Or you can press preset 5. This will simply toggle to the next device in line, making Bluetooth audio switching simple. Well, thanks for entering into the new world of digital media receivers with me today. We'll look forward to seeing you again next time.
KENWOOD.